Do you know that feeling when the suit looks gorgeous in the photo but inside it's like in a sauna and you can't see anything? We have a solution that closes these issues. Meet Danur from the Carnival factory is a mascot, where appearance and comfort work together. The main feature is a classic direct view. The animator's eyes are exactly at the level of the character's eyes, so you can see the whole platform. At the same time, the design is light and well thought out ventilation, not only in the mouth and eye area but even on the top of the head, allows you to breathe with a full chest even in active movement. Complete set, head, pants, dress, vest, soft gloves, and comfortable boots with rubberized soles that do not slip. All parts are qualitatively worked out, tailoring and assembly, in Nizhny Novgorod, with 3-stage quality control of OTK. Danur is universal. It will fit perfectly into a children's holiday, a show program, and a city festival. Production time is from 14 days, and for orders from 3 units, we have individual prices and conditions. We ship all over the country and to more than 160 countries around the world. Do you want a selection of the same charismatic characters or an exact calculation of your order? Contacts for video. Write, call.